I'm not from Andhra Pradesh, but I've always felt drawn to this place. The spicy food, the traditional handicraft, and the vibrancy. And I'm so excited to incorporate elements of this rich heritage into our wedding. I'm starting with the beautiful Mangalagiri Sari, which holds a special place in Andhra's tradition.
I can't believe it. I mean, look at the elegance and simplicity of these sarees, Priya. I want to buy them all.
Mangalagiri saris and fabrics have simple Nizam borders that add a touch of elegance to them. This sari dates back to the 16th century with deep ties to the Narasimha Swami temple in Mangalagiri. After buying a beautiful sari for myself, I've decided to get Kondapalli Bommallu toys for my fiancé. Deeply rooted in Andhra Pradesh tradition and culture, Gaurav have told me that his father bought him these toys for him when he was a kid. The softwood used to make these toys is acquired from the neighboring forests. It's called Tella Poniki wood. The artisans craft toys depicting mythology and village life.
Wow, this is all incredible.
Quite interesting the process is. They make a paste of tamarind seeds and sawdust to assemble these toys. It's hard to believe such deep hues are all natural. I'll buy a bunch of toys for Gaurav to take him back to his childhood.